Hello. Welcome back to Master English. Today, we're going to cover the next sound from our International Phonetic Alphabet book. Part 3, IPA Consonant Sounds. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and repeat after me. She, shed, shell, ʃuːz, ʃiːp, ʃɔːr, ʃaɪn, ʃiːt, ʃaʊər, ʃaɪr. Now, let's do some sentences. The first word is she. Number 1. She went to the store to buy groceries. Number 2. She loves reading books in her free time. Number 3. She is planning a surprise party for her friend. The next word is shed. Number 1. The old shed in the backyard needs repairs. Number 2. He stored his tools in the shed. Number 3. They cleaned out the shed last weekend. The next word is ʃiːt. Number 1. I need to change the sheet on the bed. Number 2. The sheet of paper was filled with notes. Number 3. They spread a clean sheet over the table. The next word is share. Number 1. It's important to share your toys with others. Number 2. They agreed to share the cost of the trip. Number 3. She will share her lunch with her friend. The last word in this set is shell. Number 1. They collected seashells on the beach. Number 2. The shell of the turtle protects it from predators. Number 3. She found a beautiful shell while snorkeling. Great work! Let's review our vocabulary one more time. She, shed, shell, ʃuːz, ʃiːp, ʃɔːr, ʃaɪn, ʃiːt, ʃaʊər, ʃaɪr. Excellent! You're doing great! You are on your way to being a native speaker. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave a comment. Also, check out our videos, books, social media, and the Master English website for a free quick guide, merchandise, and all the resources you need to be a native speaker fast. The links can be found in the description, along with the lesson notes for this video. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time. Peace.